What's up guys, welcome back to episode 4 of the LEGO sorting machine, where we've made some new improvements. We've got a better vibrating V-channel with a really difficult to see angle. I've also updated this one, so that's all new. Let's take a look at that in action. Because two of the main issues that we have with any LEGO sorting machine is, one is separating the parts so they come out one by one, and also sorting them. I have done a lot of upgrades to the GUI on the computer, so we can turn everything on and off manually on here, so we don't have to do it on the Pi anymore. We've got a maintenance tab for when I input things in incorrectly. I can now delete them. This is all the data that we train on, so the metric data, the detector data, everything is accessible in here. You can see all the different images with the bounding boxes. We've got the colour review tab, so another section where I can go through and just see and check that the data is all looking good, so that there's turquoise or dark turquoise, it's all dark turquoise, and we don't have random colours in there. Equally the same for everything else. I am going to go through and get rid of some of these images as the exposure was too high. We've got a auto run mode tab now, so we can set the different mode if we're trying to sort it by category, if we're going to sort it by part, or if we're sorting just by colour, because I don't have unlimited space, so therefore we can do an initial run just to sort by category, so it'll all be just plate, for example, in one container. Then we can rerun that plate whilst in part mode, and then that will sort it by the different types of plate. And equally, if we want to go further, we can do it by colour and sort it, yeah, like that. We've got the embedding tab as well, which is where it stores the images that the metric data trains on, and the belt capture here, which is how I get the other images in to do the training for the belt detector. Back on main, it's looking pretty much the same still, nothing too much has changed on there. Now if we go into Fusion, this is the big project that I've now been working on, and if I can zoom out a little bit, it's going to be a bit difficult because I've only got one hand. But this is going to be the new sorting system. So previously on this one, when the arm came out and the belt was running, the part went into here, which was fine, other than the fact that small parts seem to take ages to get across, like so, and that's not good. So new style is going to be this, which will be on a stepper motor, juice into the different part bins. Stay tuned for episode 5.